do stealth bombers look so weird? Because they're designed to disappear from radar. Normal airplanes have tails and vertical fins that reflect radar signals back to enemy systems. Stealth bombers avoid those shapes completely. Instead, they use a giant flying wing design that scatters radar waves away from the source. Even the engines are hidden to reduce both radar and heat signatures. The result? A massive aircraft can appear much smaller on radar than it really is. So that strange shape isn't for looks. It's one giant engineering trick to stay almost invisible.